Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do this soft glam kind of makeup look with very affordable products. In fact, all the products that I have used in this video are so budget friendly. You guys will be really surprised to see all the products that I have used to create this look. They perform as good as any high-end brand. So you don't actually need to spend a lot of money to achieve glam look. You can actually use products that I have shown here, all the brands I have featured here. Most of the items are actually under $10 and frequently they go on sale, so it becomes even cheaper, but they perform amazing. This is kind of just a soft makeup look tutorial. I myself am not a very skilled makeup artist. You can try it during winter parties, date nights, etc. I believe anyone can carry this look and this is so easy. You can easily recreate this look. Let me know what you think about this look. If you have not already subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Alright, without any further delay, let's get into the makeup look.